Since implementing the air purifiers, we've seen a significant decrease in absenteeism. We are thrilled that the investment has kept our students, teachers, and staff safe and in the classroom.
By the time children graduate high school, they will have spent 15,600 hours inside a school building. Yet the SARS-CoV-2 pandemic has brought renewed attention to the challenges these buildings face. Despite the tireless efforts of school administrators, aging infrastructure, mold, overcrowding, and the rapid spread of communicable diseases threaten student attendance and performance, our children deserve better. Our schools deserve ActivePure. ActivePure Technology is a revolutionary air purification system protecting hundreds of school districts across the nation. ActivePure is not traditional filtration. Instead, devices with its proprietary purification technology battle contaminants 24/7, neutralizing up to 99.9% of many viruses, bacteria, and mold spores in the air and on surfaces. ActivePure technology is backed by comprehensive laboratory and real-world testing. In one case study, an unaffiliated lab collected samples both before and after ActivePure devices were installed in a Dallas, Texas school building. After samples indicated a reduction of 98.6% surface bacteria and 96.1% of surface fungi. Meanwhile, nearly 100% of airborne bacteria and fungi were eliminated. ActivePure technology is available in a variety of formats, from portable units for classrooms to installed transportation units for buses to integrated HVAC units for building-wide coverage. This astounding technology is available through select distributors, each and every one of whom is an air quality expert able to design a custom solution tailored to your school district's unique needs. What are school officials saying about ActivePure and its distributors?
Our first concern was, would we receive the devices in a timely manner so we could install them in all of our classrooms and district offices? ActivePure's distributor exceeded that request and had all units on site in our district in less than a week.
The Iroquois School District could not be more pleased with ActivePure. All stages of our project went very smoothly, from planning to installation. In my 14 years of being a school superintendent, I have never worked with a better company.
To learn more, contact your local distributor today.